Hi guys, welcome to Nurture Tech Academy. My name is Lokesh. In the earlier videos, we have recorded actually our first macro, okay, with the name of name1, in which we have, written our first name and enter. And after running that macro, the name was appearing in the active cell, but cursor was resting over here. As I just wanted to discuss that with you. Now, what was that actually? Let's say if I because I've recorded somewhere else, somewhere here. The shortcut key which we have given is Control Shift N. So I'm doing this right now again. Control Shift N. So see this. My name is appearing over here, but the cursor is resting over here, which is actually, a problem. Which is actually a problem because let me show you one more thing. Again, I'm recording a macro with this academy's name like this. Name2 macro, and I'm not going to give any kind of shortcut key because I'll tell you how we can access a macro without shortcut key. And storing the macro again in a personal macro workbook, that would be fine. Okay, no description, that's an optional thing, so let it be like this. And if I press OK, and if I write, let's say, Nurture Tech Academy. Now if I just press enter, so it's like Nurture Tech Academy. Now if I just stop the recording, okay, now if I just stop the recording and now I'm deleting this name again, and if I just play this macro, now we have not given any kind of shortcut key. So where to access that macro? To access those macro, there are few ways. If you just go to this view tab, under the view tab we have these macros. So just click over here and this view macros. You can see this is the first macro we have created, which is name1. The other one is name2. Either you just double click over here or click on run. This is the one way. The second way to access a macro is go to this developer tab and click on this macros. The same thing will appear. The shortcut key to show this dialog box is Alt F8. Now you can see the same thing is appearing. So if you just double click over here or select it and run, it will run that macro. See this. That is the problem. The first name is appearing over here, which is Nurture, and the last name is Tech Academy is coming over here, which is a problem because the ideal situation is that it should come behind it, under it actually, Nurture Tech Academy, like that. So to overcome this problem, we have to make it a relative reference, because by default Excel runs on an absolute reference. It means it will record the address of a cell. That is why it is always coming in A12, the rest of the part. So to reduce this thing, to cure this thing, what we can do is, you can see under this developer tab, you can see this option which is use a relative reference. It means if you just click it, now the color is being changed. It means this option is on right now. So what you can do is just record another macro like this, and I'm using this. The option is the name will be name3, and again no shortcut key, storing macro in the same personal macro workbook without any description. Now if I just press OK, the recording started. Now if I'm write the name of the academy, let's say Nurture Tech Academy. Now if I stop the recording part, now see this. Let me run this macro again. I'm deleting this to see the actual view, how it will look like, and I'm using it anywhere else in the worksheet. Now to access the macro, I told you there are three ways, but the shortest way is to use the shortcut key, which is Alt F8, like this. This will appear. Now the third one, which is name3, which we have recorded right now, just click over here and run. See this. Now it is coming perfectly fine, which is Nurture Tag Academy, and the cursor is coming just below it. Now that is the power of using a relative reference. It is not actually recording the address of a particular site. It's not fixing. It is not limiting ourselves actually. It is using another function which is known as offset. I'm going to discuss that in detail when we'll see the coding part behind it. So just stay with me, and we're going to see a lot what are the security settings of a macro, and where to see that personal macro workbook, how to delete a macro and edit a macro. So a lot of things coming in between. So just stay with me, and we're going to also see the forms control and ActiveX control. That's it, guys. That's about it. And if you want to buy package of whole DVD tutorial, you can just visit to this particular website and order the same. So thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. And as I told you, we're going to see a lot. So just stay with me. Till then, take care. Bye bye.